In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by accessing Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is white, which means that auto rotation is off. To turn it back on, click on the same no white shortcut until it's blue. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, tap on Display and Brightness over here, and scroll down to use this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature, and this way turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!